Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the clearest possible photo. Don't overthink device setup, act now. Once you have the image, crop to the subject so the algorithm focuses on the right elements. Make sure the file is JPG or PNG for compatibility and note resolution. Next, open your chosen reverse search. Google Images, TinEye, or Bing Visual Search. Each has slightly different strengths. Upload or drag the file into the search box and hit search. This first upload is the critical step that starts the match process. Once results load, scan quickly for exact duplicates, then for visually similar images that may reveal origin or variance. If you get too many irrelevant hits, refine with filters. Limit by size, date, or specific site to reduce noise. Make sure to try different versions. Rotate, crop more tightly, or re-upload a screenshot of the subject to force new matches. For mobile, use the app's visual search or browser desktop mode. These tweaks change how the engine weights features and can uncover hidden sources. You need to confirm which match is the true source, so open candidate pages and read surrounding context. Look for captions, upload dates, and metadata. Once confirmed, save the highest quality original and record URLs or take screenshots with timestamps for provenance. If you don't find a reliable match, don't stop. Try alternative engines, adjust cropping, or remove background clutter and search again. Troubleshooting tip: if results are inconsistent, clear cache or use an incognito window, and repeat to avoid cached or personal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.